Official Panzo.
I think commercial. Yeah, food, yeah.
Omojoso. First time I hear Kaseni.
Okay.
Yeah. Meaning, sir, party issue statement be omo akasa afa Ayawaso East about no. Na response no who ne say?
Well, okay. So yeah, so tell me how come. But after the course so Ayawaso na East na yeto primaries na yehuhu wo social media no but you know ayam share no kakra as a responsible party no omutu anamon say omo ebehwehwem. I think let's put on record say this is the first time a political party in Ghana high a team to anamon etisi because I had na course both parties, but this is the first time party be in an SCO say near Kosovo or Shushim. Na chance of one can keke or muya ya no more say 3-man committee and a year like a year Mahama Yarga Yemi leader and lawyer Fuga near Madame Fu and to be quite party penny year. Now, Omuko, yeah, Unkoye, Mono. Yeah, Omodiaba, and they say, to Quassam near my course. Now, and near my course, no, and Yadi pay ye. And so, a yomunia, no back for the year, a nipaninia, a year that has been established. Almost almost take action first and foremost as almost a constitution. The constitution no said they need party constitution said they need be beat through a woman fact because constitution anticipates says at the end of a constitution not that would buy not and said yes all costume now who say a bassy you be see almost who said and we are one number 2. Say a cobase simple your fan was sending a cost on any yamfa a yabaco on Fontaine and Tofufra and I ain't more. Your best be nomination. Say yes, sir, yeah, because Omunia, Sadian as Omunia, so be Atlantic. It could be a nomination, you win the electoral commission, so a of nomination or magic, a deeper. Okay, baby, I send a bit delay. And omo avitu say ni akoso ankoye die nanso yem kono sa na emum party na nkasa wo internal niema omo be including say omate committee a ba be hwe holistically ni akoso na ifine ko obi nkoye bibia te say bio eti utie dia because we are a political party we need to be present and I say we need to be included in the race. MPP for you nipa ye kaze ya yes ade ye nhwehwe mu no MPP for go so ye campaign omun ka se we asem papa je ni aye nkambo ni ye nhwehwe ni enti e kwan pa ye betimi de sa ade be fa so omun na mo ye campaign ene ye de ye say honorable baba we ni de nzu nya abotre enko ye campaign ni nhwehwe won se mu ansa ti ya really say ni akaso bia ye be nomination fofra ye bakase ye be election no na internal election na electoral commission ye na adwuma e bi gra ni ato Ayawaso aba na wi enti ye ni ye gitum and I think that will be the last person ameba be hypocritical ba be kase o then na we kutua we na we kutua MPP NDC ajize obi on person be kan kure obi aye nti saa de we obi ntibi meka se na ede nti na mo anya se na ede na mo jai baba na ede na ebe ye se ka mafa e ofofo na pan ka nti obi ntibi medina meka sa but we have to deal with this matter. And that is where I may there's a party no in January normal 7-member committee say ye will brea I feel omu be ye niema and then she share because Namia Dumne say I've been ye internal elections I say. And Unti Sembe no munimo Equa Nimuno party name has ordered in IBC form and will be a 18 years old in view. To me, I know name then ye heard him committee and they your committee na be hwesa ye we ankasa no e de recommendations ankasa beba na ene se see mia constitution ne de niam bi hihye mu am de be hihye mu ne se de kobaso bi a asotwen se ye de ma no ni nia ye hwɛ di se committee be di se adwuma no mo de abana ye enti me commend party no say resetting agenda no ma anye kwa na omo tisi mu se no ye be hwesa asemi no wa ka no kren so say kasa bibi ankoso ana omuboa na emom no ye nimre sa bere electoral commission e gidi a ye be hwe say ye be enti no it's a good start na I'm just hopeful say committee e be ye adwuma e be ye nie na ya it's a clean slate at least for NDC for going forward obian koye bibia because there is a thin line between gift and a bribe because if you are the man no nkomo ani ni di enu ye yente but ye hu ne so de ade na man it is all the man say gifter fine but the better who say one can't ne say cha de ni no ko yes ade ma me these are all things and let's establish say and honorable baba jama kwana yes ubi awo e bi che butu ye hu social media e bi che sika e bi ye say no it will also be unfair say would they blame ni nia be ko ona baba jama ho say as if say ono no wa ya de bi mada and before your conference na nansen ye hu envelope say ka de put go e chire ni ade ni fat envelope over 200,000 delegates ubi ame minim say wo ho yi ni ba asem we ye nkwa gina nse ebua ubi aye
right
yes ye be to sadi gas ye no hum pai bona me bo say ye nkoso ni because en fata enye say bidu ba bi no you crazy ka kase ni benya na enye ni owo ni bia ni nyanse obetimi dia bo ma nti me de mani so mani je amin say party no e be ni so ye na organize for more as
I started some cancer the way who asem right after the MPP primaries. Brana Sike Kwana delegates ni be yes musika mai. This is not the first time make cancer vote by any influencing voters no who asem. But on the day of election, said you now can say be or the achede my say what the ebia the ono mo kan yente ni ade no. On the day of the election, 77 previous obi ba begina ballot box no nchen no obi beto no de sika hye ne nsemu a anaso de bibi hye ne nsemu nim se prosifo e wo ho beche no because the election is ongoing and antisa good no matter what you tell the person and we glare ye beche no but the intina on the day of election ye beto aba ne sa abre na wo becha de any form of gift bia which wo hwe PNDC lot 284 na a specify section 34 no can clearly say aduane ana drinks kura wo de ma at that moment na something that can influence people. It's not right. It's clear. But me, I want to fan too. But the problem now is, na NDC, aware say at the end of the day, the committee ni establish cross wrongdoing ekoswa. Party constitution be bien mo betimi aye honre no munim ansa no release statement.
Well, so what's now can but what the constitution the statement now you were really the and say yeah near the new side of statement it near maybe a who statement I don't know.
Yeah, I have it around.
Okay, share the last paragraph so what yeah
project mame quickly now. Ode koso
na ye me kwete ni wa ha but me kai wo me trim and the statement na last paragraph no kind of T40 oh ye rafifi kwete me pese me sure say last paragraph na but he spoke among others say in the future no and I say omo be say next time bibi nia omo nhweme masa no mo betu anamo o can be bisa o statement na your first statement no release here na o say ni akoso no mo condemn na omo be hwese on better committee no. Because at that time as the general secretary no I am sure say no we say in lacuna be ewo constitution him because say no as the general secretary you see fortunately no me na ye ne no ni ana wa Lisa hotel na majority leader majority MPs no conference be ewo so we were all the speaker or any party benefit.
Okay, menya statement no wa. Jeff, I forwarded it to you. On the 7th of February 2026. Na dated signed by Fifi Fiavekwete. Na say NDC condemns the level of bribery in the Ayawaso East primaries and lunches investigation. The attention of the national executives of the NDC has been drawn to the widespread incidents of inducement and vote buying allegedly perpetuated by some aspirants at the primaries in the Ayawaso East constituency today. The party vehemently condemns these actions in no uncertain terms as they represent an affront to the values and principles of the party and the reset agenda the party is championing. The party also wishes to make it clear that in the future more drastic sanctions will be taken, including possibly cancelling elections, which such incidents come to the attention of the party. But honorable, Yenshe state. Okay,
I'm not sure say the general secretary had apprised himself of constitutional provisions. Same say lacuna be on Johnson when Jimmy say sa Juma we na committee in the Bayano Ebeheso be trouble but in the future also kind because involving even amendment to a constitution in one answer providing some provisos be a bit to me useful for this one. It tells you that he knew said there was a lacuna in the constitution.
Okay,
yet as I see a
but Osha last but one paragraph no estatia or acknowledge and now or indicate say there will be an action taken. Also, the party is immediately instituting a full-scale investigation into this matter and will take a swift action against any candidate found culpable. The party also wishes to make it clear that in the future, more drastic action. The last but one paragraph indicate that they will take swift action against against any candidate. But in this case, there wasn't even a bit or little action taken against anybody. They have been allowed to go.
Mami, Mukaka.
Right.
And no credit they've been allowed to go. As we speak.
Per the statement.
Master, yes.
Okay.
And as a statement, committee na koyeguma. And no as a general secretary. One of the recommendations of their manifesto, almost His Excellency the President of the Republic. And yet, committee now establishes saying, yet, Honorable Bajaman Kwane, yes, sir. 18, almost ye ebino nso a public servant, be what board or something, man, penny in your money. But also, it is a geography if you quit the kind. And yet, easy. Say, but catch up with the unit. If you know Baba Jama or a veteran politician, and with his pedigree in NDC. Now, President of the Republic, President Nhyira, on a party no needs also. It TV channel say on Yajina Juma finance and Yadiketwa.
But already be so concerned is already know a high commissioner. Won't mean MPs and high commissioner and Uncle resign. Or we need Crank or resign.
Debbie, Minia, and okay, someone or resign. But any as a president, no percent for Okoludu and Cobet friend say Baba or Tina resign. Yet, even over Jumam now pension, the very day I pension near Cassia, you were there. That same day, you forfeit your entitlement. When him says or resign, a different from CAE daddy. Don't underestimate the implication of a resignation as against dismissal. It is a very serious matter. share masa I know the different cry it's an call resign and call resign and can be different but see you wedi not the president no names of resign or see where you need and the president calls so one of the statements are you details president me or Shebia says or tray and the our recalling but where you're tray or see omo yanhwehwemu but no twahwehwemu no kra ni akoso no the standard that the amani appointees no was no na dream no ono papa jama Andrew santi where you need e azam ketwa and I know the this is a serious politician. So I we are at no. And you the ketwa, and I'm not sure so any bedroom. Because ye recall you say now, oh benefits near the near you forfeit them. And that's how you blare on your political use. It's Nyagro. It's a say no party now recommend this or more accounts and the party surely I know as an insider say and ye bibia na yebeka na bonte but ensem bi nso nam a kwan fufuro bi a betimi afa so ene o madele but the only thing ana party no problem om won say ye ni bibia wo ye mra ni mu a betimi a bibia so a ye de mra na ye betimi a ye na secondly ni any time on so se ye ka se ye twa abadim kra na ye be bie nomination da ben electoral commission abai so ene ye ken MPP fo nso guso ye campaign ene ye de ye yes ye hwehwe vote buyer akoso Ghana in ages no iti ne nia no media ne me den se party ne senso ha afi ne ye ba be yan hihye ye mu odin net me protect ne aye bia wo ye internal elections ne iti me nua ya enya se ye anya hwe se wo ye adwuma ne yi wadi de e bi nto da na to wa o
na mate de wo kana se but if party no mo constitution mu no enimu se obi a obe contest bia no eni se sebe ne ho wo enkekaye bi ananse waye bibia esusu se ya abonefo sem a ese nipa no oye obi o ye person with ebia integrity morally no onye bibia only illegal records bia wonachi enye no na mo de hwe ema nipa de timi gina mu se obe contest bibi wa NDC anamu
okay so yes so eno wo ho. But the yardstick I the measure no, don't forget. Say as we speak, special prosecutor Abba Asemnim, Abba special prosecutor. Look, you're more buying any party now, but yeah, who be say that? I was Ghana how. We speak, a senior former minister, Ghana's High Commissioner to Nigeria, is now under investigation. I want one Abaimo. A special prosecutor now, a granting bail. I did a caution statement. Yeah, you go so nsemu. It's special prosecutor go so ya na adwuma say obuwie here the ne put na court say better so be court o mu hwem no say en court no mu court na sabe e ko ba say wa ye bibi a etia Ghana mra on ko so nya MPB o special prosecutor so hwem no see o enye senior because you see it's a criminal in here can once the whoever is investigating or prosecuting you know would have to connect whatever was given to the way Nipano Edekoto Abana say indeed now it was meant to bribe the person. Indeed, I'm sure special prosecutor at the end of the day, so oba out no see obi aye bonia. Oba koso aye MPB. To me, enti na ye ka say under John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency. And under a Siedun Ketiani Fifi Kweti, almost social party, a very senior member of the party is under investigation. Matthew wanted special prosecutor and NDC in a dinner by you until be entering or bribe. Obey a Juma fe near the Betono, Yansia de Bayjumanti, and Naya Casa Media before say. And that is why sometimes, as I say, more fidie so a more kasa kire tie for no edu say na ye encourage the official dom no ye more mabaso say ne be ye on betumi akoso yes anas ye reduce no to say politics ni ade a and one also party for me ka say adenti na wo ye jai no na obi amfa no ama me ka say iti anas why say but president mama so reset Ghana khanie galamse asemi amanse west to say and the ade anche president director so mkoyem. Because this is a president doesn't know. Me legacy at once, Amako. Me more be me gumeni mase. They won't be said that on one buy.
Na I'm just told say ye fire no say ya obetumi enya compensation but or resign the anka obenya just about 3 months salary bi na akọ. So it's
say no kind fee.
That is what me producer confirm ma Mrs.
Or confirm if document.
I will get it. So Odi get me the source now. I know I know that, but honorable.
Yes, sir.
Mame emisa on the timing. The time. Okay. Now you see ye nibre. About for commission on other instances, you share they see what amaledi ya. You train the dare nanka time or why they bet and time or why they be normal be but because of the court processes no, ebi why the injunction to suye anyway. Looking at this, anka party ne acknowledge say bibi boni akoso committee no kra transia gather evidence. Who said bibi boni akoso in fact abonefosem which is in form of vote buying normal pi akoso on the part of all the candidates who say normal say akoso no do or some few short time to present your candidate you know nanka enye a step in the right direction we a lawyer there senke bia party no interest pa enka womo as party of interest in that election no enke betumi afa kwan bi so injuncted the process so that about to commission na motu obetu no kra no ebetumi atwentwen so na ya handle we no awi ansa ananse benya even legible voter wo constituency wo nankai party ni interested in ti watumi ahye na chiama na go through that process na yama about to commission apostle for some time court na injunction no nanki yatumi handle we yawie
no matter but we internal weapons no intimi impede electoral commission court be able to be say injunction oko injunct electoral commission my bonebe because you see you don't go to court. Let me speak at this stage send me a lawyer court can be injunction. Injunction is predicated on a suit. You know understand how better injunction now the Nipana court say why you boni bi and our form be and our be I don't know the file originating process which is the rate of summons. And you better say as soon as you say why me say and answer why you be enye me mumu say answer ye be as obi anim say asem di break aka say court and stop no from so ni oye na okoso ya obe overreach me they no nema obe court akwa kase court ma injunction but I want to be sorry and court them injunction. It is a court ni oya adwen a na court the injunction so after the video asem if ya enye but you see to me why we internal and aba internal electoral commission there or no we be any nomination. Don't forget to say NDC ni MPP ngwan e bi on beko e bi mpo beko independent. What ya MPP crown so and to interest wo. Almost wa hye om niam say e beto about on the 3rd of March. Na from nowhere na wa court to say electoral commission boni ben wa ye or no na kocheche ni obi kocheche a wo de na court. Can you even imagine if NDC tries ade na near mo beka ukruma so mo amagoye mo ade a ye beto aba eyi mrashibe. Don't forget say it is a constitutional provision the groom norm and yeah act of parliament be so within 30 days ni enkonko to aba yi mrashibe dwani fofo it easy say constitutional provisions are no na NDC internal nsemunti no ma sorry na electoral commission na court the injunction at home so
but honorable this is not internal as such. Well whilst I hear who say something like bribery and vote buying election be a
the issue of bribery no yes yenia asani hu no but there's no established in any court. Bribery is a criminal offense and no special prosecutor yes adwuma. Into mommy and yabo training and home. Why? What's the problem? Saving so what parliament impo. Na say Kobasa special prosecutor succeed. Yes, na die na ze wiaze na ze wodi fo a. What do you cause on your MPB? Into mommy and jide was system nimu. But you see, you intimi nkasi e hold the whole process because answer now be establish bribery or court no. Even take him re.
Right.
It is young to abanu kruma young train and it all is not over. Meaning say what catcher with you for more to say. Special prosecutors we speak were granted on our Baba Jama bail. Enti processes ni gu so okoso. Mama yen hwe me nyame beye. Yen hwe media.
Okay.
I have my own personal opinion about this whole thing, but it is not about my personal opinion. Baby, I do know. The special prosecutor yen adwuma. Obian share no. Obian your president so on koso yen adwuma. Enti ona papa jama nso nyame adom no so aka say me ni hwe ya me di sie enti special prosecutor invite me ameba ampanzo akọ. Enti mama process ne nkoso. Special prosecutor for say so arraigning no workota. Oba arraigning no near court ne be kan ye de adwuma. Wodi make be pincho. Wodi say committee no. Ye hwe niam bebreo and I know say enu na committee. Look, committee ne the recommendation ba se party no e bi aba no ye twam. Ye nkonkoto no fofra. Omo a affect you, they have a right of appeal. In the years of Mkaya, it is honorable Papa Jama or Winnie, and a committee in recommendation and Yaneda. Over to me, I file an appeal, and no by a national executive committee. Because we affect and establish it, and you file appeal or national executive committee, say, in your committee, and I can only and also by that, because you see a friend next meeting. Any idea? Can you imagine any a committee by a bosume no near we have them? If the new chips as a committee in a kaya, so people say the committee na can on in your job file appeal it internally. It's a baby as it's a long haul, but meanwhile America as a party has taken a good decision. Yet the special prosecutor is also doing his work on Unjai.
Okay. Right, we hope for the best. But quickly, just a short time on the Galamsey issue. Meaning, who documentary now Econo and how things are unfolding some of the districts and municipalities. No, you see Eco Galamsey, and then we are resetting. When you saw the documentary, no, and what do you think must be done?
Well, my personal opinion, unfortunate. But you see, as a lawyer, no, I am careful in judging.
Right.
Because you see, utie afa, any afa, and son webwa. Miss me, judge. But utie niya, this in Swaka was so mono. Jessica Emma earth moving machines biya I am yet to establish say DC no Jessica no man ho. I think say near PM mom say omu Jessica no assembly. But on say you person who can say no ahwe from all angles say enke koba say DC no afa the personal tax was being ordinary nam Jessica every onu DC na. A different from Wena or the assembly, no. For all you know, me say I'm unfortunate because I think say it be a champagne near there. Champagne no zona buy na ban gra.
Yeah.
It didn't as all Jessica was champagne. Because the earth moving equipment cra na yadi adwuma yadi kwa adwuma na wo say so mutia tax ma and say revenue de ma assembly na. Me did say as assembly mo adwuma dia earth moving equipment na egodi. Who think as a work revenue ne keke? It is a matter for the assembly and for me. If we should cut the whip, then it would not even just be the DC. Let's not politicize this. So there is a coordinating director.
Yeah.
There is a district finance officer. It is the entire assembly because we know assembly, no. It's an assembly. Let's not politicize it at all. Let me also commend His Excellency the President for the swiftness. Media, so am I ubisa na me bompa say a chire a obekono obi obebe mefa papa isu ne ne ban. Yewra na sa asemi wa wo de kumase na wo nti ohonso Galamsey ne man ne no wo kakra is it asem we news ma obi ango be nani news me think of ni oji shed bottom kra akosu kura mo bi ankasa. But you see also no what directed the minister now in the next few days what do you say ABC.
Wow.
Because President say no sad na dey we that be oka that be you be share be oka or say ne sad ne term we no and legal term Even in the background, now the need to sacrifice it. And that is why you're sustaining on mine without any scandal for 1 full year and beyond. And the moment why you send ya multimedia monsu gusuya, Yamea domna sa moma yehu said sadie way na ekoso sadie way na ekoso. I can assure you the president on that one. On social media ni phone there be any phone kura no fe na ekoso. Tie ba ya obeti asim. It is for me it's good. Me ni evidence of here nwem. Ya nwem so I can assure you the president on si obi ada because one here there be a say ya oye be ahwini because we dey agra will sacrifice you. It ya no na me emede. Enti no yan hwehwem na yen hu ne entia obi na say well no mu nim but me omu nim ne de e yi kakra because you cannot be taking money from me some ne de cry serious man. Some fine na abaya ne won kan no wo ko ji hu sika sen.
And as head of the DISEC more security no nyina na okra na ye chairman of the district security council na galamsey ekoso district and you don't even protect the lands the resources
unfortunately then I look yam be shodi obia chief because na me no near me can say this one a bit way kakra and it must look and now and here police commander obia must answer question why is it going on na mo kra mo fetch kokojiji revenue ma assembly and yet a whole assembly the district no pin for na say ye whole on ba be chiri me DC because as far as ye hu no minim say bi fufu bi obaby dia but sika no mo tia ma assembly it ye assembly ni nia asem. And it is unfortunate say ne ya be do say na yen sa say bomb by president ebre stay sika e man 9 months blue water gas yen konko ye niema yie no me tell me a member of the lands and natural resources committee me tell sika ye voted ma 9 months ni blue water gas nye sika ketwa ye betimi dia ya de fofo ye fambo yen sa se ho ban na mo chire na mo yesi ya unfortunate obi ntimi nka say no nim because me self for excavator and put have say well we nim so license well I don't know but champagne ne dey bi oni e dey champagne dey bi apart from say nyom dey wo wura mu dey two gallons dey ne dey champagne it is obi to be cook wura mu konti sika fi champagne ni wa na ejuma be no dey champagne nti say ye kasa nti ka o dey say wura mu no dey kunipa in the assembly ni So for me, there are more questions than answers. And at the end of the day, may hear him say DC, you know, any assembly, police commander, district coordinating director, DFO, Sikaneba, or just say Sikabe. And you know, I for must answer questions. Now, ye near Kosuye. You be on Frank Kawabi, I'm a president Mahama, now Memua Obui, Koswashabo, Muguson Sumijidis of Wamahu. Say niema esa kakra wo ye kroma nti obi anhwe ne ho ye no obi amfa bibia ma me for yewura no
right honorable medasi anope
enso medama
all right lawyer Bernard Bediako bedu NDC MP for akwetia na ye ne etwetwe enkomo ewo ho no na ohwe